Hello. Today is one of my favorite holidays, Pi Day. And I know when you're seeing this video, it is not going to be Pi Day, but in honor of Pi Day this week, our video is going to be freeze drying pie. I thought that sounded so good, so fun, and Pi Day is the perfect way to do that. So I am going to show you the process on how to freeze dry pie. I'm going to reset to the standard settings. I am going to hit fast dry mode. I'm going to increase my extra dry time because I like to do that in case it ends in like the middle of the night or something and I'm not available to get it out of the freeze dryer right away. I like to increase it so it'll just keep drying until the morning. So I'm going to hit save and start. And then I will show you the pie. Here is my pie. I have already cut it up and sliced it, got it on my tray off camera. This is a frozen s'mores pie that I just purchased from Walmart. It looks so good. I'm excited to see what this is gonna be like freeze-dried. And then I knew that wouldn't take up on my tray, so we got some cream puffs we're gonna add to the mix. I'm gonna throw these on the tray. All right, here's what we got going in the freeze dryer. It looks so good. I am just waiting my cool down time and then we will pop these into the freeze dryer. All right, we've got our 15 minutes are up. So I am closing my drain valve and gonna load up the pie. I hope it's not too tall. Oh. I think we're okay. Oh, whoa, blooper reel. Okay, some of these I'm gonna turn on their side because they're starting to hit the roof. Which is not a huge deal because you can take this middle part out and clean it. But I'd rather not create a huge mess, so not quite as pretty, but oh well. Okay. There we go. It's all in here, loaded, ready to go. I'm gonna hit continue. And now we're freezing. If you celebrate Pi Day, let me know. I wanna know what your favorite kind of pie is. I would say my favorite are chocolate-based pies, like French silk pie, peanut butter pies. I've never even had the s'mores pie, but it looked so good. So that's my favorite. But I also do love a like delicious homemade apple pie. Also so good. I didn't really like pie until I was an adult. When I was a kid, pie kind of just grossed me out. But as I grew up, I realized it's delicious. Tell me in the comments if you love pie, what your favorite pie is. I would love to know. And maybe one day we will freeze dry a different type of pie. I will check in with you guys when this is ready. It's probably going to be tomorrow. But yeah, until then, I will see y'all later. Good morning, welcome back. It is the next day. Our pie and cream puffs are finished. They did go into their extra dry cycle. You see, they've been in here for 21 hours. It did about 5 hours of my extra dry time, so I guess the actual freeze drying time was like 16 hours, something like that. Anyway, I am going to open my drain valve. I am going to defrost. And then we can open this up. This is gonna be fun. Can't wait to try. Here are the cream puffs. We will see if these freeze dried even in the center. I have no idea. Some of them kind of like oozed out a little bit, so that's interesting. Okay, shutting the door, hitting continue. That's gonna defrost. I want to remind everyone that my freeze-dried candy shop is live. I am offering a box of the month, which comes with 3 bags of candy, and each month the candy is gonna rotate. I also, starting next week, I'm going to have an Easter box. So if you're looking for a fun, cute Easter candy to put in your kiddos' Easter baskets, or if you just want some yummy candy for yourself, I am also gonna have an Easter box for a discounted price, and that should go up on my website next week, and I will link my site down here in the comments. Okay, we're gonna get the pie and cream puffs upstairs to do our taste test. I don't know that I'm gonna bother like packaging these up because we're just gonna eat them for fun throughout the next couple days for just like little dessert treats. So I am not gonna show you like packaging. If you wanted to preserve these, you could stick them in a Mylar bag, throw in an oxygen absorber and heat seal it. That'll give you the longest preservation shelf life, but we're not gonna do that today. We're just gonna go up and try these. We're gonna let the kids try them too and see how they turned out. We are on spring break here in Alaska, and later today we are gonna go on a hike along a river to a frozen waterfall. We did this hike this summer and it had the most beautiful waterfall that we got to see. But I have heard that in the winter it is frozen, and another super cool thing to see. If you are interested in seeing what that's like, I'm gonna tag my Alaska Life channel. I never know what side of the screen to point to. I will tag it up here. If you want to subscribe to that channel also, you'll be able to see what we're doing during spring break. That video, I believe, will go live on Monday. So there's that. Oh, also, I am almost to 500 subscribers. I think I'm like 5 away. So the next video here on DIY Freeze Dry is going to be my 500 celebration. With that, I am going to do a candy giveaway on that video, and I'm also going to do just like a crazy fun run in the freeze dryer, and that will be a surprise for you guys. I have in my mind finally what I'm going to do, but it's going to be a surprise. So if you help me get those last 5 subscribers, that would mean the world to me. I am so excited to have all of you new people here following along. It's been so fun. I am kind of learning along with you guys how to use my freeze dryer, and it's been great. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comments below. Otherwise, we will see you next doing the doing the taste test. What time is it, kids?
Taste test time!
What are we taste testing today?
Pie! Pie!
You can tell it's spring break because we still got one in pajamas. All right, grab your piece of pie. Please grab a small one. No, Lincoln, that's 2.
This one? This one?
Bria, no, that's too big.
This one?
Yes, Wesley, that's fine. Okay, I have a feeling this is gonna make a mess on the floor. 1, 2, 3, go.
How's the whipped cream crunchy?
That's what happens when it freeze dries. Did you get to the chocolate part yet? Is the chocolate part crunchy too?
Mm-hmm. It's all crunchy.
Looks good. All right, Mommy's turn. Okay, I'm gonna try this piece. That is good. Okay, I'm sorry if I have chocolate in my teeth. It's an interesting texture because you expect pie flavoring to like be cold, and this is like warm and not cold. I mean, not warm, it's room temperature, but it's so good. You still get all the flavors of the pie, but just in these little bite-sized crunchy pieces that kind of melts in your mouth. Super good. I would love this for like traveling. If you're going on a camping trip or something and you had this to have for a dessert that you don't have to like cook or do anything to, I think that would be so good. All right, we got Wesley trying the cream puff. Did you get to the inside? Is the inside crunchy or soft?
Soft. And it's not hard.
Ooh. Okay, I'm gonna try one. Mmm. So good. The texture of the outside is still like soft, kind of similar to how it normally is, but the cream in the middle is a little more airy and has a little bit of a bite to it. Those are really good too. Okay, that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that like button. Remember, in the comments, I wanted to know what your favorite pie was. Let me know. This s'mores one was delicious, and now I want to eat it like as a regular pie too. I bought that at Walmart. It's a great value brand. So if you thought it looked good, check it out there. Anyway, we will see you on our next freeze drying adventure. Thanks for following along. See you later.